Hi everyone, today our topic about tangents and secants to a circle exercise 9.2 second problem. Two concentric circles are ready 5 centimeter and 3 centimeter are drawn. Find the length of the chord of the larger circle which touches the smaller circle. Already given in the problem this diagram, two concentric circles means those circles which have their center as common are called concentric circles. One circle radius is 5 centimeter, another circle radius is 3 centimeter. Find the length of chord of the larger circle. This is the larger circle. This larger circle chord is PQ, which touches the smaller circle. This is a touches to the smaller circle. Okay, now radius of the larger circle. Radius of the larger circle. This is the larger circle. Radius OA equal to 5 centimeter. Radius of smaller circle. This smaller circle radius OB equal to 3 centimeter. These two circles common center is O. PQ is the chord of the larger circle which touches the smaller circle at B. This PQ line segment here playing the role of chord or chord. This is touches to the smaller circle. Now in a triangle OBQ, observe here OA is the radius, OB also radius. OA is the radius for big circle, OB is the radius for small circle. Now you do one more, draw a line O to Q. This line also a radius of big circle, 5 centimeter. In a triangle OBQ, this triangle OBQ, OQ 5 centimeter, OB 3 centimeter, and BQ we don't know. Here needed to find. Okay. Triangle OBQ here at a B point right angle. So OQ is the hypotenuse. OQ square is equal to OB square plus BQ square. Pythagoras theorem. To find the value of BQ, so write BQ square as the subject. Then OQ square minus OB square. OQ value 5, OB value 3. 5 square 25, 3 square 9. Their difference is 16. BQ is equal to root 16. BQ value equal to 4 centimeter. Here B intersect the point PQ equal to 2 parts bisecting. So PB equal to BQ equal to 4 centimeter. The length of PQ equal to 4 plus 4 means PB plus BQ equal to 8 centimeter. Okay, second one completed. Next, third one. Prove that the parallelogram circumscribing a circle is a rhombus. Parallelogram means a polygon which bounded by 4 line segments is called a polygon which bounded by 4 line segment is called quadrilateral. Parallelogram means opposite sides are equal and opposite angles are equal. Prove that the parallelogram circumscribing a circle. In that parallelogram a circle is enabled. To show this parallelogram is a rhombus. Given ABCD be a parallelogram, ABCD be a parallelogram circumscribing a circle with a center O. We know that the tangents drawn to a circle from an exterior point are equal in length. This is the theorem. From external point to how many tangents we can draw to a circle means 2 tangents. These 2 tangents are same in length. So AP equal to AS, BP equal to BQ, QC equal to CR, DR equal to DS. Got it? From external point A to P, this is a tangent. A to S also tangent. For these two tangents, common point is A. So these two tangents are same in length. Okay. Adding the above equations, we said now this 4 are equal. Left hand side, left hand side, left hand side, left hand side, as well as right hand side. AP plus BP plus CR plus DR. Here AP plus BP. This whole AP plus BP gives AB. AS plus DS gives AD. BQ plus QC gives BC. CR plus DR gives CD. Means both are same. AP plus BP gives AB. CR plus DR CD. In this way, these four terms equal to these two terms. Okay, left hand side, right hand side. Now all these four sides are equal. So ABCD is a parallelogram with all sides are equal. In which parallelogram all sides are equal? In a square, all sides are equal. In a parallelogram also all sides are equal. But the difference between square and a rhombus, in a square all angles are right angles, but in a rhombus opposite angles are equal. And in a square diagonals are bisecting each other, means same parts. So ABCD is a rhombus. Now fourth one. A triangle ABC, a triangle is drawn to circumscribe a circle of radius 3 cm. In this triangle there is a circle with radius 3 cm such that the segment BD and DC into which BC, this total line segment BC, is divided by the point of contact D are of length 9 cm and 3 cm respectively. See the adjacent figure. In the question itself given this figure. Find the sides of AB and AC. Asked to find the length of AB and length of AC. Now solution. ABC is a triangle is drawn to circumscribe a circle of radius 3 cm. How like given in the problem, same I copied. From the adjacent figure, this BC line segment perpendicular to OD and BD 9 cm, DC or CD 3 cm. We all of you know that from external point to we can draw two tangents to a respective circle. These two tangents length is same. So BD 9 cm, BE also 9 cm. From this point CD and CF given in the problem, CD 3 cm. This with this CD we can know that CF also 3 cm. In the same way, AE equal to AF, but the value of AE and AF we don't know. How like these two values are same. So let be the value of AE equal to AF equal to X, you assume that. Okay. The length of tangents done from external point to a circle are equal. All we understood. Okay. Now let AE equal to AF equal to X centimeters. We assumed. Now using this diagram, CD 3 cm and OD already this is the radius 3 cm. If CD 3 cm, CF also 3 cm, 3 cm, 3 cm, 3 cm. This radius is doing with the base side right angle 3 cm. So these two alternate angles are 90 degrees, 90 degrees. Then automatically four angles also 90 degrees, 90 degrees, 90 degrees. All these three sides, all these four sides are 3 cm, 3 cm, 3 cm. So So we know that this is a square. CFOD is a square. So angle C equal to 90 degrees. With this diagram, we conclude that angle C is 90 degrees. So clearly ABC is a right angle triangle at point C, right angle. Using Pythagoras theorem, AB square equal to BC square plus CA square. AB square equal to BC square plus CA square. Pythagoras theorem. This is the using Pythagoras theorem. Here value of AB from A to B, AE plus EB, AE plus EB or BE plus EA, all are same. 9 plus x whole square is equal to BC, BD plus CD, BD plus CD whole square plus CA means CF plus AE, CF plus AE not FA or AF, FA whole square. Now I substitute the values of BE, BD, CD, CF, FA. This is in the form of A plus B whole square equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. So A square plus 2AB plus B square equal to 9 plus 3 12 whole square plus A square plus 2AB plus B square. 9 9s are 81, 2 9s are 18x plus x square equal to 12, 12s are 144, 3 3s are 9, 2 3s are 6x plus x square. Arrange like terms one side and all variables send left hand side. Already there is a plus x square, this x square went to this side means minus x square. 6x minus 6x. X square get cancel. 18x minus 6x 12x. 144 plus 9 153. This plus 81 is equal to that side means minus 81. 153 minus 81, their difference is 72. 12x is equal to 72. X is equal to 72 by 12. 12 1 is 12, 12 6 are 72. So the value of x is equal to 6 centimeter. Now AE value is 6 centimeter. Now the value of AB equal to AE plus BE. So 9 plus 6 is equal to 15 centimeter. 9 plus 3 is equal to 12 centimeter. I hope you understood the problem. Next, fifth problem. Draw a circle of radius 6 centimeter. From a point 10 centimeter away from its center, construct the pair of tangents to the circle and measure their lengths. Verify by using Pythagoras theorem. This is a very important. Important means all problems, all concepts in mathematics, all are important. But from this question to new topic for us, how to construct a tangent to a circle. Listen carefully. For this we needed, this is called a compass, not box, compass, pencil, ruler, protractor, sharpener, eraser. All of these items we needed to construct a asked diagram. Okay, for any diagram we must have a rough sketch to understand better. Draw a circle of radius 6 centimeter. Okay, roughly I drawn a circle, radius 6 centimeter. From a point 10 centimeter away from its center. From center away a point P. Assume that a point P, their distance is 10 centimeter. Construct the pair of tangents to the circle. With that point, construct the tangents to a circle and measure them. What is the length of these two tangents? And finally, verify by using the Pythagoras theorem. Okay. First, I drawn a rough diagram. After that, listen. Draw a circle of radius 6 centimeter. How we can take a radius of 6 centimeter? see using these two fingers. Okay, open the compass, place a ruler like this, 6 centimeter. I taken 6 centimeter, locate a dot, means that is a point, draw a circle. Okay, this is a circle with a radius 6 centimeter. Now 10 centimeter away one point. Then how we can know